Hello, everyone, and welcome to the January 23rd Cloud Custodian Community Meeting. Today, I guess the big points here are that last week there was a new release. Just a couple of highlight features. I know we have some support for integration with AWS Cost Optimization Hub. We've got some new resource types for AWS organizations. So with the org accounts and org units, and being able to work with SCPs a little bit. That's helpful stuff. And also, as of that release, all of our Lambda functions for policy executions and for mailer will default to 3.11 and support 3.12. You can opt into 3.12. So we've got some other stuff too, but that's I think those are some of the big points of the release. And then I also wanted to mention that Cloud Custodian Day, or Governance as Code Day with Cloud Custodian, is on February 7th. So that's coming up in just a couple weeks. You can, if you're interested, you can go join that, register there. And there's a link in the recording and also in Slack. Those are the big administrative upfront questions. So if, or upfront points, anybody have specific issues or questions they want to get into? If not, this will be a quick one. With that.
Yeah, I was going to ask if you have time, AJ. There was a PR that was sent by Thomas Stone. I think that is, it should be a small one. I briefly looked at that. We have the second one from the top. Yeah, it looked okay to me. It's just replicating the exact same pattern that we do for suspending SGs. It's trying to replicate that into resuming action.
Okay. So that's interesting. So we currently accept a list of exclusions, but only for suspension, not for resume.
Right. Okay. Yeah, so I think it looked pretty straightforward to me, but if you have time, I would love to get your eyes on this too.
Yeah, I'll put the notes too. Okay. Yeah, that seems, I mean, it seems legit though. Yeah, if we can already do it for suspend, we should be able to do it for resume too. Cool.
Yep.
All right, thanks. Yeah, thanks for the pick on that one.
Yep, thank you for looking at it.
And anything, Sunny or Kristen, anything from your side? No. Cool. And Patricia, was there anything else, or that was just that was the one that bubbled up for you?
Yeah, for now only this PR. I'm also working on getting an issue log with regards to the resource-based policy blocker that I talked about in the last meeting. So yeah, that should pop up. So.
Okay. Yeah, that was the one that we talked about last meeting, right? We just need some details on the issue. That's cool.
Yep.
Sounds good. Hey, Kapil.
Greetings.
Greetings. So yeah, recap. We were just saying releases out, dropping the announcement on the Cloud Custodian Day or Governance as Code Day registration page, and Pratush brought up a PR that needs a review. Looks like just auto scaling groups, something with allowing exclusion for the suspension for both suspend and resume. I guess we only do it on one side today. Did you have anything else you wanted to bring up?
I mean, I looked at that PR and the ESG stuff. It looked good. The only thing I had was like on the PR itself, which I haven't commented on, was I think the process list is already in a different class, and just referencing that one as opposed to duplicating it. But outside of that, it was solid.
Got it. Thanks. I'll put that as feedback or conveyed back to the person who sent the PR.
But yeah, otherwise look good, and yeah, thanks as well for the PR.
Cool. Sounds good. Thanks. You were already on it. Yeah, then I don't have anything else. I did see one that I just started looking at on this. It was a 10-cent issue though, and
I mean, it's a generic issue. Like, I think there's a question here on like coming up a level or two. Like, do we have the right schema for that? Is it like if it's not? I don't think it's required. So at least having a default value there that I mean, as an empty list as opposed to a string, I suppose. Whether or not an empty string should be allowed in the JSON schema, I think is an open question, which is what triggered their particular issue in this traceback.
yeah, I guess that was my question too when I was looking at it and thinking, well, do we just want to like early bail on empty or just not allow like catch empty during a validate or what? Okay.
Yeah, generally speaking, we want a runtime on anything. Sorry, we want to validate time on any errors related to arguments, to policies.
Yeah. Sounds good. So I'm gonna drop in a note on that then. Okay. And I think that seems like pretty much it then. Unless anybody else, some other topic came up for anyone else. No? All right. Sounds good. Then thanks everybody. And
Well,
we'll
actually, I have one other topic on. We've got a couple maintainers on this call, so wanted to help share the load. AJ's been running it for a little while, but I was thinking about rotating on active maintainers. If anyone else wants to run this call, then would be happy for any step up. So I'm happy to do that call out in the channel as well. But just FYI, if it's of any interest, thought we could share this load. Take care.
sounds good. Thanks.
Thanks.